press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Xoxoday. Live your now.
We are doing a lot of activities, for example, Lockhart Tea Factory visiting, museum, we have photo point. The company is our 150th oldest factory, 1857 we started. So now is a RP Goenka group of companies. Our machines are 150th oldest machine, the British times tools. Tea factory is also 150th oldest factory. We have 150 workers there. We are doing 3 types of tea production, black tea and green tea and white tea. Black tea is a major thing. Black tea we are doing 6 days and green tea and white tea we are doing weekly once, Monday. Sir, 100% export quality. We are doing 11 European countries for the exports. We have mostly increased our empowerment. For example, the machines is 150th oldest machines. We are doing mostly manual process only, not conveyor system, no automatic system.
Very interesting just to see the whole tea making process, just see the grinding, the various grades also. The guide, he was very good. His English was fantastic, his information was very interesting, most informative. As soon as you walk in the factory, just the whole smell of the tea, the aroma.
I would love to be a host at Xoxoday. If you like the experience, look it from the link below. Subscribe to Xoxoday YouTube channel by pressing the bell icon below.